Before performing the service, prepare a clean workspace. Remove the mattress and clear any bedroom furniture or clutter from around and under the adjustable base. First, unplug the adjustable base from the outlet or power point. Check the green LED on the top of the power down box. Insert the input cable to the power supply. Insert the power cord to the power supply. Now that the replacement is complete, turn the bed over, reapply the mattress, and test the functions to confirm the base is operating as intended. If you have any questions or would like further assistance, please contact us through the contact information on your warranty card.